Paano sumulat ng abstract? Ang abstract ng yung research paper is a summary of the whole research paper, which summarizes the key findings of your research. Mahalaga na maganda ang pagsulat ng ating abstract because after the research title, this is the second one that the research readers will read, and if they will find it interesting, they might read the whole paper and eventually cite your research. So paano nga ba sumulat ng magandang abstract? Maaari mong sundan ang format na IMRAD. I stands for Introduction, M stands for Methods or Methodology, R stands for Results, and D stands for Discussion. Since ideally 250 words lamang ang ating abstract, we need to make sure na naisulat natin ang lahat ng ito briefly and concisely in our abstract. So, for the introduction, begin with a brief statement on the research problem or question, including any relevant background information. For example, for a title of the study, the effect of mindfulness meditation on stress and anxiety levels in college students. So the introduction could be written this way. This study examined the effects of mindfulness meditation on stress and anxiety levels in college students. So as you can see, the introduction could be written in just one sentence. Other example, this paper provides an analysis of the concept of social capital in sociology. Another example, this study examined the effects of an online tutoring program on math achievement in middle school students. The second one that you're going to write after the introductory statement is the methods. Describe the methods used to conduct the research, including any important data sources or sampling procedures. For example, for the same title, so we already have the introduction which says, this study examined the effects of mindfulness meditation on stress and anxiety levels in college students. For the method, it could be written this way. A randomized controlled trial was conducted with 50 participants who were randomly assigned to either a mindfulness meditation intervention or a control group. Participants completed self-report measures of stress and anxiety at baseline, immediately after the intervention and 1 week later. So as you can see, this is just 2 to 3 statements which states the methods or the methodology that the researchers use in conducting their study. The third part is the results. For the results and discussion, you just summarize the main results or findings of the study, including any statistical analysis performed. So for the same title, we can write the results as, results indicated that the mindfulness meditation group had significantly lower levels of stress and anxiety compared to the control group at both follow-up time points. And finally, the implications. For the implication, you simply conclude with a brief statement of the implications of the findings and their significance for the broader field of study. So for the same title, it could be written this way. These findings suggest that mindfulness meditation may be an effective tool for reducing stress and anxiety levels in college students. So if we're going to write all of this together, this is how the abstract will look like. Here are other examples of good research abstract. There you go. I hope that by following these steps, you will be able to write an interesting, a brief and concise abstract that really summarizes what your research paper is all about. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to share, mga ka-wise researchers.